Do you have a VTEC? VTEC Club.
Right guys, so on this video we're gonna install the Ultra Racing rear bar that goes in the boat. I've got this rear bar because there's that's probably one of the best bars you can get. I already got one on the C-pillar, which is this one here from Jay's Racing. I'll show you all my bars once I've completed this, but the idea is to install this, and bear in mind we already got our coilovers in, so let's see how we do. So I've printed this from the Civic Info forum, which I'll leave the link for you guys to see. So what you're gonna need if you have stock suspension is a H4 Allen key, a 40mm socket, a 40mm ratchet spanner, a pocket knife, and 4x12x38 washers. So because I'm running yellow speed instead of the 40mm ratchet spanner, I'm going to use a 70mm, and I didn't have the 4x12x38 washers, so I'm going to use these instead. It should make a huge difference, so we shall see how this sits. First thing we're going to do is to remove the nut that holds the thingy. Yeah, don't do what I did previously, which was dropping this nut, because you'll regret it, because you're gonna have to remove this liner to do so. So that's that one done, so let's go for the other one. That went well. This is from the last big one. Right, so that stays there. Now, what I'm going to do is put a washer here. Washer there. Right. And now we're going to have to basically trim this here. So I was not super keen to do this, but I've just tried the cover, and to be honest, you won't see it cut it. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna do a quick cut here, quick cut here. Try not to drop that. Yeah, that should reveal that bit. So it's up to you to decide if you want to cut the whole thing. I think it looks much cleaner. This one, and that's this one, which should be enough. So in the end I found more suitable washer, which is 32mm or 32.7, and the aperture or the diameter inside is more or less 10.7, so they fit perfectly in our setup. All the washer sets, and we're just gonna try to tighten this just to keep them centered. I just realized something, which is I just realized something. So basically, obviously, what I do is I just stick a spanner there, and with the ratchet, just tighten it up. But because now I can't get a spanner, I need to find another way to do it. Quick installation. But in the end I didn't manage to find any tool in my toolbox that will be perfect for the job, so I've tightened the nut the best I could, because if I do it more then it starts to rotate the spindle of the coilover, hence why you need an Allen key to hold it in place while you tighten up the nuts. So to do this you're gonna need a special tool. What kind of special tool? I mean, I don't know why it was not listed on that thread that I mentioned earlier on the Civic info, but it's basically a box spanner. I'll put an image here what it is, and what it is enables you to basically rotate clockwise while you hold the Allen key or any kind of key for the spindle. Again, this is a quick one. I'll just gonna show you all my strut bars, because that's now the last one. That completes my set. So I got 3 from Jay's Racing. I got this in the boot from Alter Racing. I also got the white line anti-roll bar in the rear, and possibly, and I hope so, I'll get the front anti-roll bar, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and well, just leave us a thumbs up. Thank you.
Do you have a VTEC? VTEC Pro.